Hi guys, so let's get started with yet another exponential equation sum, right? So we have on the left hand side this elaborate distribution of powers which we have to end up being equal to 7 by 10. All right, so what should be our first step? So as you can see that we have brought the question here, right? So to start with, the first thing we have to see is or locate is the lowest power of the series, correct? So in the numerator we have 28 as the lowest power, while in the denominator we have 29 as the least power or lowest power, correct? Now why are we doing that? I will explain you through doing, correct? So we take this as common. So we have the lowest power 2 to the power 28 and in the denominator we have 2 to the power 29. We can extract 2 to the power 28 and 2 to the power 29 also can give us 2 to the power 28, and this one is itself 2 to the power 28. So taking this as common, we get 2 to the power 2, which is 2 square, plus 2, having a power of 1, and here 1 itself, because this multiplied by this will give you this, because in exponential rules we know that when the bases are same we add up the powers. So 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. Similarly, 2 to the power 28 plus one more power, having the bases same, we get 2 to the power 29. And here 2 to the power 28 multiplied by 1 will give the number itself, correct? The same we do in the denominator. How? What are we going to get for this? 29 is already here, 30, 31. So here, plus how much? Correct. So now there is a minus sign over here, which means we put a minus sign there. We have to solve this or simplify this in a manner that we get eventually at the end 7 by 10. So next step is to simplify this inside one. Two square is equal to 4 plus 2 and plus 1, correct? And here we have 4 plus 2 and minus 1. All right. Further, if we have to go ahead, so we'll copy this. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. And here 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Which means 2 to the power 28 multiplied by 7, and here 2 to the power 29 multiplied by 5. Now we have common base here. So the next thing we do is 28 minus 29 multiplied by 7 by 5, which means we'll get a minus 1 here. As per exponential rules, we know that whenever there is a base which is common and having different powers, we bring the denominator power up as minus. Okay, this is as per the quotient rule. Multiplied by 7 by 5. Got it? So which means that this can be written as 1 by 2. Okay, multiplied by 7 by 5, which means we get 7 by 10 and hence proved. So 7 by 10 is now equal to the right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Alright guys, so this wasn't very difficult, okay, as it may have appeared to some of you, because the only key factor is that we have to take the least, okay, common power which is common to all of them. We do same for both the numerator as well as denominator. Then we simplify the leftovers as we have done over here. Okay, this we do it at the very end of it, because doing all of them simultaneously would muddle them altogether, which can be very confusing. So here we found 7 from here and 5 from here. Then we dissolve the brackets and write them as multiplication, as you know that they have a multiplication bond. Next we solve this and we get 2 to the power minus 1, which we write as reciprocal and multiply by whatever is the other factor, 7 by 5, and we get this. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood, and if you still have any queries, do write to me in the comment section. Will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for giving me so much of time. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.